So I'll be explaining to you now yung ating final project proposal. So I'm showing you now the simple page or slide that I have created to explain yung gagawin for the final project proposal. So for our next meeting, you'll be providing a 5 to 10 PowerPoint slides for you to present yung inyong proposed final project. So i-group ko po kayo. You'll be group and then siguro mga 5 to 6 members, okay na po yun sa akin. And then yung bawat group, you'll be given 5 to 10 minutes presentation. So dapat mabilis lang. Ang goal lang naman natin talaga for the final project proposal is for me to approve kung anong naisip po natin na idea. So credited po ito sa quiz or equivalent to one experiment. Siyempre, yung ipopropose po ninyo na final project, ang gagamitin po natin na hardware description language, of course, Verilog. And then, sisimulate po natin sa Xilinx ISE, gagawa po tayo ng test bench, yan, and then papakita po natin yung waveform simulation results. Parang katulad ng ginawa natin for the midterm project, pero this time, yung midterm project kasi natin, tinranslate lang natin, 'di ba? Or gumawa tayo ng test bench rather from the provided Verilog code. This time, isip ka talaga ng gusto mong i-propose na project na gagamitan mo ng Verilog code. Of course, may mga ibibigay ako sa inyong examples na pwede po ninyong basahin all throughout. Then, from there, pwede rin kayong pumili and then pwede nyo na lang din pong i-upgrade. So, ito yung ina-expect ko. For the first slide, ang nakalagay lang po doon yung pangalan ng project or pangalan ng program na i-create po ninyo. And then, along with the name of the team. So, isip kayo ng isang pangalan ng inyong team. Then, you have to select your group leader and then the members of the group. So yun lang yung gusto ko makita sa first slide. Sa second slide, ito na yung flexible kayo. Dito mo na i-discuss yung introduction, background of the study. So in this part, pwede kang gumamit ng mga pictures, mga illustrations, bullets to explain to me kung tungkol saan ba yung iyong pinopropose. And then yung slide number 3, kailangan maintindihan ko yung objectives of your study. So we have one general objective and then maglalagay ka ng tatlong specific objectives. So again, dapat measurable yung ating objectives kasi at the end of your conclusion part, kailangan na-address po natin in the results and discussion lahat ng sinad po natin na objectives. And then, yung slide number 4 po natin, sama-sama na po ito, pwede po kayong mag-exceed ng slides. Gusto ko lang makita doon yung block diagram. So what are the main processes from step 1 to the last step? And then pwede kang gumawa ng input process output chart or pwede naman na flow chart or system flow chart or pwede kang gumawa ng pseudocode. Again, yung pseudocode combination po yon ng English language and mathematical operators. And then after nung slide na yon, siyempre, yung last slide po natin, you'll be explaining the table of control mechanism or operations. So dito, gawa ka lang ng table. Sa table na yun, ilagay mo ano ba yung kayang gawin, mga feature, mga function, mechanism, and operation ng sistema na gusto mong i-propose. And then, i-describe mo clearly kung para saan yung control mechanism na yun, para saan yung operation na yun. And then, nilagay ko dito, your proposal, dapat ma-implement siya both Verilog and breadboarding. Pero hindi na po natin kailangan mag-create ng prototype in actual. Sa breadboarding po natin, kung gusto mong gumamit ng Arduino, okay lang naman po yun. Pero ang suggestion ko, gumamit ka na lang ng online app. Ayokong actual mo pa siyang hihinangin and so on. So, purely simulation yung atin pong ipoproduce na output. Again, so ito po yung magiging content ng ating final project proposal. So you'll be given only 5 to 10 minutes to present and then limited lang yung slides natin, minimum of 5 pages and maximum of 10 pages. Then you'll be grouped into 5 to 6 members. Yan, then isa lang proposal yung ipe-prepare po natin. In the event na yung proposal na pinrepair po ninyo ay hindi acceptable, so I will ask you to represent your proposal. Kung medyo nakukulangan naman ako sa inyong proposal, so I will request na mag-add doon sa atin pong kinreate na proposal. Alright?